Users can access the Switchvox voicemail system from a variety of different ways, including from their handset, from the switchboard layout using a widget, or from the user portal voicemail section, and anywhere else that users can access extensions on the system. So the default voicemail access extension is 899 as seen under Extension Management. And by dialing 899, callers will enter the voicemail system and be asked to enter their voicemail PIN specific to their extension in order to access their messages and mailbox settings, including greetings. The system will automatically recognize the user's extension when they call, so there's no need to enter it, only the PIN is needed.
Speaking of PIN, I'll just briefly mention where we can find those. Under the user extension, go ahead and modify, and if we scroll down to our security, we'll have the numeric PIN for voicemail. We'll have to confirm that if you want to change the user's voicemail PIN at any time. And of course, that's set up at the time you're creating the extension, whether you're just creating a single user from scratch or if you're creating them from a template. Those pins are there. Benefit of a template, of course, is you can standardize that pin for all users and then have them change it themselves at some point. And speaking of that, I'm going to log in as a user and simulate a user portal login. So a user can always go up to their account preferences or my accounts, or under features, my account, and they will find the voicemail pin right under the security here.
A new voicemail extension can be added by clicking Create Extension and choosing the type Voicemail Access. Give it an extension. And do we require a password for the voicemail access? Generally, this is yes. And we can save.
Now, generally, the default of 899 should be enough for most people. Again, you can edit that over here and change the required password setting. That's pretty much it for that. The purpose really is to route to that voicemail access. Traditionally, you would do it from maybe an IVR. Users could call in from the outside, check their voicemail. More practically speaking, though, for accessing voicemail would be the visual voicemail built into the various different Switchvox enabled soft phones. For example, I've got my Sangoma desktop phone here. I'm going to go over to my voicemail, and I've got visual voicemail here, which includes the envelope, or the date, time, the duration, and whom it's from. So I can just click on that, and it will display the playback feature.
Now we can also use that switchboard layout under the My Calls widget. So let's log in as user. Head to the switchboard. For the user to see their voicemail, you can either configure this in a preset widget or they can customize it. But essentially, what widget we're going to want to add here is just the My Calls. And then voicemails here, so you can do it standalone or include it with all the call statistics. And here's our voicemail. We can click that. We've got the play function. We can call back the caller. We can mark it as unread, forward it, or delete it.
Hi, this is Matt with the Switchvox demo. Give me a call back when you get a chance. Thank you.
And finally, we have our voicemail access click to dial on the right side. So that's the one we set up, 898, and this would be the 899. We can click to dial from there, or ring the handset.
Password.
And the password prompt comes up right away, just as if we called it from the handset directly. So that's how to access the Switchvox voicemail system from a variety of different convenient ways, and how to create a new one. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.